Okay.
Good morning, everybody.
Hey, everybody. It's August 14th, 2026. This is Bob and Lou at the Two Old Guys Garage with kind of a shorty, little bit of an update. Lou has been experiencing some slipping V-drive belt on the car when he's out driving it. And it turned out it's because we installed the power steering pump when we converted to power steering on the same belt drive as the AC compressor. And the load is a little bit too much. So the crank pulley is 3 grooves and we were using the back 2. So what he did was he made a spacer plate and he moved, whoops, sorry about that, the power steering pump out a ½ an inch and is now running it on the front of the 3 pulleys on the crank with its own separate belt, which makes the AC running on its own second groove. And what is that kind of? Yeah, anyway, that's all right. So anyway, you can see the 3rd belt there, right there. And is it a little better? It's working fine. No more squeal, right?
Yeah, kind of helped the problem.
Yeah. And then the other thing it did is that the power steering reservoir, right?
Right.
He had welded a better cap on it to get a better seal. It was leaking still a little bit, and basically he ended up putting in a fatter O-ring, and that seems to have taken care of that. So that's pretty much it.
Yeah, that definitely, that old belt would start squealing.
Yeah. Anyway, it's running good.
Yeah.
The last video we published, we had found a broken spark plug wire in number 6, and I replaced that. And he's been driving it since. It's running fine, right?
It's been running real good.
Yeah. So that pretty much is that with the latest update on the Anglia.
Oh, yeah, I got a hold of John Russo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got a hold of him. So
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah, he sent us his number, and yeah, he's living up in Redding, which is Northern California, and he's building another hot rod. He's building the 33 5-window.
God, he's another old guy, and he's still doing it, huh?
Yeah, he's been building houses up there, so yeah, he said he's getting ready to retire. So yeah.
So he's must be what, in the 60s?
60, I think he's in the middle 60s, I think.
Yeah, well, good for him.
So that's nice. It was nice talking with him.
Yeah, old hot rodders never die. They keep building cars, right?
Yeah, really.
Okay, so what we're going to do now, which is not really automotive, is one of the many projects that Lou and I have done was we completely wired his house and garage for a security system. That was done, God, years ago.
Oh, yeah, long time ago. Yeah.
And in fact, in the garage, that's the camera there. That's part of the internal security system. And then we added additional internet-driven cameras. That's an additional one. And when I cut this video over or off, we're going to put another one over here, where we originally had an earlier Wise camera. These are Topo, T-A-P-O cameras. And if you want to do this, Topo is the way to go.
Oh, yeah,
I was with Wise for years, but the Topos are superior software. They work better, they display faster, they got better choices on the software, and they're also basically kind of cheaper than the Wise cameras. So as an example, this is a new model they got out where it's even higher resolution, 3K, and this was like $55. Memory chips, that's another story. Worldwide, they've increased about, I don't know, 300-400%. You can't buy them anymore because supposedly it's because AI is pulling all the memory chips worldwide. Anyway, all right, so that's about it. This will be a short video. I'll publish it later. I believe it'll be episode 97. Take care, you all. We appreciate it. Like, subscribe, whatever. Do all that good stuff.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye.